name is Ishan Nath.
My name is Tirtha Oral.
And my name is Shobhit Sarkar.
We have made a flag hoisting robot and we have used the following components.
We have used high-speed motor, axle lock, fillers, K-nuts, bolts, ER brake, cables, 7.5 rectangular plate, 7.5-inch L-channel, flexi, square plate, 2.5-inch L-channel, pulley, 2.5-inch U-beam, 3.5-inch axle and touch sensor.
We have connected M1 motor to the brain and M2 motor with the brain and the touch sensor with the brain. Now I will show you how it works.
Now we will hoist our flag.